that bike sounds so fucking weird with those exhausts on, I'm not gonna lie. I do. What the fuck? What the hell? That looks like a Shark Road Custom. Dude, we've been coasting this whole entire time so far. This is rough. Oh shit. At least we stand out a little bit because like everything here is a brother, and then there's like two of us fucking Japanese boys out here right now. Dude, I didn't hit him up. I just said we'll be down there at some point. Or Alibi. Ooh, an Aprilia. God damn. That made my fucking eardrums pop. Yeah, you showed my eardrums who's boss too with that. Fuck. I wasn't ready. Oh, my eardrums are still fucking ringing right now. God damn. One more lap, here we go.
Just park. Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, it's a VMAX. Okay. I see that. Yeah, for real. Dude, I had a guy in a Honda earlier try to fuck around, or in a Honda, like a Civic or whatever. Doing what? Apparently other bikes. God. I'm at the wrong fucking spot to be doing this. Oh my god, I'm just getting ear fucked back here. I say that like I know what the fuck they ride to even look for. Yeah, it's a Rough Rider. I've seen that around before. Real hard. So because they don't want us doing anything fun. God damn, man. I mean, keep doing your thing. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, God damn, man. I know you don't give a fuck. I'm at 234. Yep. Uh-huh. In the parking lot, fuck it, right here. It's somewhere for now.